Choosing the right budget gaming PC can completely change your gaming experience. It's not just about choosing a PC that's affordable, you have to pick the right one that can handle your needs. Well, in this video, we break down the top 5 budget gaming PCs on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for something affordable for basic games like The Sims, or looking for the best of the best without needing to spend thousands of dollars to get there, we'll have the perfect option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which gaming PC will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop, our pick for best compact cheap gaming PC. If you're looking for a compact gaming PC that won't break the bank, the HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop is a great option that should be able to handle most of the games you want to play. HP has gone with a modern compact case design for the Pavilion Gaming Desktop. It isn't extravagant or showy. The front panel is accented with some green lighting and is slightly raised in the center with a ridged V-shaped pattern, while the sides are simple black metal. You'll have to complete the package with your own monitor, but an HP keyboard and mouse are included in the box. It also comes preloaded with Windows 11. To access the interior, you can pop the left panel off with a single screw, and there's a Kensington lock slot if you need to secure it for any reason. Taking a look at the interior hardware, the Pavilion gives you a choice of configuring it with either an AMD Ryzen 5 or 7 processor, a discrete NVIDIA GeForce graphics card in the 4 or 6GB GTX 1650 Supermodel, or the 8GB RTX 2060 Supermodel. The 1650 Super is great for gaming at 1080p, while the more powerful Super 2060 ups the resolution to a maximum of 2160p. And finally, you can equip the Pavilion with up to 32GB of RAM, and an SSD that ranges in size from 256GB all the way up to 1TB. You're going to get pretty good performance with either the Ryzen 5 or 7. The Ryzen 5 has serious multi-threading capability, while the Ryzen 7 offers a mix of high-end multi-threaded computational chops and decent gaming performance. Your choice between the two graphics cards will dictate resolution, frame rate, and more. The HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop offers everything you're looking for in a compact gaming PC, and its configuration options make it a good choice for you. Next up, the Alarco Gaming PC, our pick for best gaming PC under $500. The Alarco Gaming PC desktop computer combines the flash of gamer aesthetics with solid functionality that makes it decent at handling popular games like Minecraft, Fortnite, CSGO, and more, while still coming in at under $500. If you're on a limited budget or relatively new to gaming, the Alarco is a good place to get started. While it doesn't have the gaming performance of the HP Pavilion or HP Omen 25L we'll talk about later in the video, it has plenty enough power for basic gaming. Aesthetically, there's no doubt that this is a gaming PC. It has 3 RGB fans and LED interior lighting that highlights the interior components through the side glass panel. Taking a closer look at these components, you'll find an Intel i5 processor, an NVIDIA GTX 650 1GB graphics card with DVI, HDMI, and VGA outputs, 8GB of RAM, and a 1TB mechanical hard drive. The graphics card isn't high on the performance scale, but you'll still be able to play most modern games on medium to low settings, and when you consider the cost of the entire system, it's pretty easy to accept. Older or more optimized titles like Fortnite and GTA 5 will run well at 1080p with a 30 FPS average. On a more positive note, the graphics card is discrete, so you can easily upgrade the card at any time. If you're looking for a super cheap budget option in a pre-built gaming desktop, or are completely new to gaming and need a good place to get started, the Alarco Gaming PC is a solid choice for you. Next up, the Skytech Archangel. The Skytech Archangel 3.0 is a cheap mid-tower gaming PC that packs fluid 1080p performance in a sleek-looking case with some nice high-end touches. The gamer aesthetic is alive and well with the Archangel, but it doesn't go over the top, keeping the look tasteful. The Archangel has a metallic chassis that's very sturdy, and the internal structure and most of the exterior panels are made of steel, while the front and left panels are tempered glass that show the interior components illuminated by a trio of RGB lit fans. For computing muscle, the Archangel comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 graphics card, 8GB of RAM, and a 500GB SSD. For connecting up your peripherals, there's plenty of ports, and a keyboard and mouse are also included. Additional ports are available on the GTX 1660 graphics card, giving you 1 HDMI and 3 DisplayPort video out connectors, in case you want to create a multi-monitor setup. If a comparable gaming PC with the added capability of DTS-X surround audio sounds appealing, check out the HP Omen 25L coming up later in the video. Playing Call of Duty is a breeze at 1080p. In fact, at 1080p, this PC is capable of reaching more than 70 FPS on Shadow of the Tomb Raider, and in Star Wars Battlefront 2, you should be able to hit an average of 73 FPS. And when you're taking a break from gaming, the installed 1660 GPU also makes it a good choice for live streaming, and is optimized for Open Broadcaster software. Even though the Skytech Archangel 3.0 is a cheap gaming PC, it offers both good performance and a nice gamer aesthetic that work together to make it a great choice for you. It's upgradable, very capable, and the gamer touches make it look premium. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like, and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next up, the iBuyPower Trace 4 MR. The iBuyPower Trace 4 MR is a great cheap gaming PC for the money that looks and feels great. It offers good performance and configuration options right from the get-go. Like the Skytech Archangel, the case features tempered glass panels and is kept cool using three 120mm RGB lit intake fans that are outfitted with filters. Pre-built PCs often have a slapped-together cookie-cutter appearance, but the Trace 4 MR seems to be well managed. The rear of the motherboard tray gives you easy access to the intake fan filters and to the mounting location of the SSD, which is ideal for anyone who wants to upgrade down the road. Running games like GTA 5, Fortnite, Apex Legends, Rainbow Six Siege, and Dota 2 in 1080p deliver smooth gameplay, but the Trace 4 MR can also handle more demanding AAA titles if you back the settings off to medium. Driving performance are some solid hardware components. The base model offers a Ryzen 5 processor, but you have the option to configure this PC with an Intel i3, i5, or i7 processor as well. For graphics cards, the base comes with an AMD Radeon RX 5500 XT, but again you can opt for other AMD Radeon cards, as well as several different NVIDIA GeForce GT, GTX, and RTX options. System memory consists of 8 or 16 GB of RAM, and for file storage, you could choose between a 240GB, 480GB, or 1TB SSD. If you ever want to add an additional drive, there's room to add another 2.5-inch drive, and there's an open NVMe slot if you want to go that route too. The iBuyPower Trace 4 MR is a very good, cheap gaming PC, and is a great choice for 1080p gaming. You also get the opportunity to tailor the components to suit your budget and activity when you buy. Lastly, the HP Omen 25L, our pick for best overall cheap gaming PC. The HP Omen 25L is one of the best overall cheap gaming PCs on the market, and it leaves behind the more edgy gamer appearance for something a little cleaner and more refined. It's powerful and leaves plenty of room for expansion, making it future-proof. The tower case is black with a brushed metal front panel and features a tempered glass side panel that allows access to the interior without the need for tools. To power the lights and internal components, a 750-watt power supply is built into the chassis. A good number of ports are available, as well as an SD card slot. For gaming power, the Omen 25L uses an Intel i7 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super with 6GB of onboard memory, 8GB of RAM, and for internal storage, the Omen 25L has a 512GB SSD. For great audio while you're gaming, connect up your surround sound speakers, or plug your headset into the DTS Headphone X Jack for an audio experience with more nuanced, immersive sound quality that will make your gaming experience more exciting. When it comes to performance, the Omen 25L brings it. This is a powerful gaming PC that can run most games without breaking a sweat, thanks to the installed CPU, graphics card, and RAM, giving you your money's worth and is more than you'll need to handle most processor-hungry games for the foreseeable future. And for even more convenience, the Omen 25L comes with HP's black wired keyboard with volume control and a wired optical mouse, so all you need to do is add a monitor. If you're looking for a gaming desktop that will give you great performance right out of the box, the HP Omen 25L makes a great choice for you. This gaming PC is also upgradable, so at any point in the future, you could swap out components to better match your needs. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give this video a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.